Hi, Dr. Rajni Sudera here. I hope you all are healthy and well, taking good care of your health. See, lots of people are asking me to suggest good products and tonic for their hair loss. See, they are suffering from premature graying of hair, some are suffering from hair fall, some are saying that हमारे बालों की क्वालिटी बहुत डेटोरेट होती जा रही है, उसकी डेंसिटी नहीं है, वॉल्यूम नहीं है, बहुत रफनेस आ गई है बालों में. सो देयर आर गुड प्रोडक्ट्स एंड टॉनिक. वी ऑल्सो रिकमेंड homeopathy medicine for these issues. See, first of all, you must know the reason behind your hair loss and other issues. So once you will know the reason, once you will work on the root causes of the issue, then you can treat it very well. See, there are main 6 reasons behind your hair issues. There are many reasons behind the hair related issues. Lack of nutrition. See, vitamin D deficiency is one of the major reasons behind your hair issues. See, previously people used to dry their hair in the sun, so they get enough vitamin D. But nowadays, young boys and girls, they are in hurry, so before going to their work, they wash their hair and use hair dryer to dry their hair. This excessive use of heat regularly on their hair damages the roots of the hair. The hair loses its natural shininess, it becomes rough. Lack of nutritional healthy diet, lack of omega 3 and protein rich diet is the reason, and use of excessive chemical based products. See, without seeing the composition of the products, just watching the alluring advertisements, people just do experiment on their hair by using different products, hair gel, hair color, hair spray. Next, the imbalance of hormone. Thyroid is the reason behind your hair fall and premature graying of hair. Lack of iron is the reason, and one reason is genetic, like baldness. If the baldness is in your genetic chain, heredity, then you must be more conscious to regulate it on time. Lack of proper care, proper oiling, proper washing, proper drying. Pollution, dust particle, and your sweat also damages the hair. Stress and anxiety is the major factor. So you must know the reason behind the hair damages so that you can control it in a holistic approach. Adopt a healthy and good lifestyle so that you can get proper diet, proper sleep, you can get proper time to dry your hair naturally without using the heat. You just control the stress level. How you can reduce the stress? Everywhere is stress. Some extent of stress is necessary to cope up with daily activities, but excessive is bad. So try to reduce that. Be cheerful, be grateful. Reduce the conflict between others and within yourself. This conflict enhances the stress level and anxiety. This can be reduced by making a harmony between your thoughts and your actions and the work. So the things which are beyond your control, so you have to leave it on, surrender it on Almighty and be grateful. This way you can reduce the stress level. So next we will discuss how to treat the damaged hair, what treatment you should adopt to grow more hair, to reduce the dandruff, the roughness, what homeopathy treatment you should adopt to grow more and more hair. Till then, be happy, be cheerful. Thank you.